In this video, I'm going to show you how to pick a particular advert you have running for a long time and analyze it so that you can know which of the age range is giving you the best result, which of the platform is giving you the best result, which of the gender is giving you the best result. I have done this over and over again, and it has helped me to optimize my ad. This is one way to scale your advert that people are not talking about, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do that in this video. So when I change this to maximum, let me change this to maximum so that we can check the entire results together. Now when I change this particular one to maximum, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this right away. So when I change it to maximum, you're going to see that this advert has given me 100 and something lead, but that's not what the one I'm looking for. I want to analyze the one that has bigger results. Let me check. I want to analyze the one that has bigger results so that from there we can see. Let me find a particular advert that gave me more than 1,000 results. So we're going to go with this particular one. This one that have given me 222 lead at 68 naira. So anytime you want to analyze this, you are going to select that particular campaign. Now, when we select it, we're going to come here. You see this breakdown. So we can easily use, do you want to break it down by gender? Do you want to break it down by platform? But now let's start with gender. I want you to see between all the ages that saw my advert, which of the age range gave me the best result. And then when we analyze it, I'll now let you know why looking at this thing is important and how you can use it to optimize your ad better. Okay. So I'm going to tap on that age, and then immediately it's going to show us the age range here. It's going to show us the age range. So you see, for that advert, there is 18 to 24, 25 to 34, and all of that. So, but then when we look at the one that gave us the best results here, you are going to see something, and this is very mind-blowing. From 18 to 24 was giving us lead at 54 naira. Okay, out of that 224 lead, we got 18 lead at 54 naira. From 25 to 34 was giving us lead at 17 naira, but we got 41 lead. From 35 to 44 was giving us lead at 44 naira, and we got 65 lead. From 45 to 54 is giving us lead at 64 naira. From 55 to 64 is giving us lead at 56 naira. Then 65 plus is giving us lead at 64 naira. Now, looking at all of these things, you immediately know that the one that gave us the lowest cost per lead was, let me check, was this one, 18 to 24 years. We were getting lead at 54 naira, and then there's also this one we're getting lead at 56 naira, which is 55 to 64. Now, looking at this thing, you need to write it down somewhere so that the next time you are running advert, you are not going to change the age. You are not going to change the age, but the way you are going to craft your copy is going to resonate with people in this age range. So for instance, 54 to 64, what are they probably, which stage of their life are they? They have finished giving birth, they are already old, maybe they are now struggling to even, depending on the product you are selling anyways. But when you look at the age, you know that every age range has a particular problem. You cannot be selling to people in their 55 and you are writing with Gen Z word and all of that. So if you are selling to people in their age, in their old age, you look at the pain they are suffering from, and that is what you are going to be hitting on in the ad copy, because the ad copy is mostly the targeting that we do now. So you're going to be hitting the pain points of old age people in that copy. If you look at your advert, for instance, and you notice that it is from 25 to 34, I have seen a lot of advert that gave me the best result from 25 to 34. You look at the pain points of people between the age of 25 to 34. Maybe they are still struggling with marriage. They have not even done up to 5 years in their marriage. Maybe they are even struggling with fertility. Like when you look at their pain points, you can now hit those pain points in your copy. And trust me, it's going to optimize your ad better and you're going to start getting more results. Okay, so the first thing we just analyze now is just age. Let's go back, remove age, and analyze something else. Okay, Now let's analyze platform. This thing is actually very eye-open. The first day I noticed this and I say, my God. You see, that's why it's important to learn every day. And that's why you must subscribe to my YouTube channel. Some of the things I'm showing you here, you probably will not see it. You have bought a lot of courses, but still they have not taught you this thing. So you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more videos on my YouTube that will expose you to a lot of secrets that you do not know before. So this is platform. Let's go. I want this thing to finish loading. Okay, for this particular advert, so you see this eye opening. You see this eye opening. For this particular advert, I ran it on Facebook and Instagram. Facebook and Instagram. Now see what this thing is saying. For this one now, there was no result that came from Instagram at all my results came from Facebook. What does that tell you? I'm not saying, see, listen, no. I'm not saying that your next advert you are now going to remove Instagram. If you do it, that means you do not understand the purpose of this particular analyzing. Now, let's look at this one. There was no result on Instagram. All results came from Facebook. So I felt like this particular advert did not run on Instagram at all because all of them, none results came from Instagram. And if the advert ran on Instagram, there is just no way it's not going to come in. So you see now, this one now spent only 46 naira on Instagram, and then they pushed it very well on Facebook. They pushed the advert very well on Facebook. So he spent 15,000 on Facebook. And that's why I was able to get this result. So number one, is it that they realized that, oh, Instagram was not giving me results. It was Facebook that was giving me results and pushed more ad on Facebook. Or number two, maybe the page did not allow to run adverts on Instagram. But there are some adverts you analyze. You find out, okay, let's look at this one now. Facebook gave me 236 lead at 63 naira. Instagram gave me 2 lead at 50 naira. And now, are you beginning to see this? But we cannot really determine and say, oh, so Instagram is giving us the best lead. No, we cannot do that because we have not gathered enough lead to be able to make our decision. Just giving you 2 lead, it does not mean that this is the cost per result. So you might climb to 15 lead, 30 lead, and the cost per result will shoot up. All right. So what I would recommend that you do is to keep on running the advert. As long as the advert is giving you results, you keep on running it. So this is just the breaking down by platform. If you have chose other platform like Audience Network, Trend, Messenger, you're going to see all of them here and see which one gave you the best result. Now, it doesn't mean that when next you are creating advert, you are going to exclude all these platforms. You might want to exclude it. Yes, you might want to test. There's always room for testing. Let me even exclude all of those platforms that did not give me the best result. I know whether my cost per result will come down. Most time it will not come down. Most time it will. But if it doesn't come down, it means you are going to study the language of people that are using that particular platform that gave you the best result. You can agree with me that most times the way you write ad copy for Facebook might not resonate with people on Instagram. The way you write ad copy for Instagram alone might not resonate with people for Facebook. So if Instagram, for instance, is giving me the best result, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to strategically craft my copy to fit the Instagram audience more because I know that most of my results is coming from Instagram. I hope we are following. I hope you're understanding this. All right. Now, the next thing here is this. I'm going to go and remove breakdown by platform, and I'm going to break down by, let's say, for instance, I'm going to break down by placement, for instance, by placement. What does that mean? It's going to show me is most of my results coming from Facebook feed, from Facebook story, from Facebook reel, and all of that. So when this breakdown is done, you'll be able to know, oh, okay, so most of my results is coming from timeline. No, there's no need for story, there's no need for reel, there's no need for search results. Okay, so now see the breakdown I'm talking about. There is, see this, there's Facebook, there's Instagram, there's Facebook feed, there's InStream. So when you look at all of these things, you immediately know, oh, this is where most of my result is coming from, Facebook in-app. This is where another result is coming from, Facebook. So mobile web is just giving me one result, even though the result is coming at a cheaper cost. But then, because it's giving me one result, I might not rely on it because this result might when you get to 5, the cost might just shoot up like crazy. So Instagram feed is not giving me any result. This is how you analyze your advert so that the next time you know how you can optimize it. Spend some quality time here. Don't be in a hurry. You can take out one morning and go through all of this. You analyze your advert, even if not for any reason, you have a better idea of where most of your result is coming from. This is how to learn, improve on your skills so that next time you know what to do to get better result. You don't just run advert blindly, and that's one of the mistakes people are making. Anyway, if you want to learn more on Facebook advert and you want to access a very organized and well broken down course, I already have a Facebook ad course that I sell. You can send me a message on WhatsApp. Check the link to my WhatsApp in the description. You'll be able to reach me on WhatsApp and get the course. It's just for a very affordable price. Well, if you want us to have a one-on-one consultation, I offer a one-on-one consultation to business owners who want to make more sale with Facebook and Instagram ad. At this moment, I'm coaching a UK client. I'm coaching a Canadian client. Just yesterday, I had a one-on-one session with a Kenya client. So if you are struggling to run Facebook adverts, send me a message on WhatsApp and we'll go on a call and I will show you whatever problem you're having. I guarantee you, I've been there for years. Some of the things that you're struggling with, I've already struggled with them and I've broken free. So if you learn from me, you are definitely going to get the best result. If you find this helpful, make sure you subscribe and turn on notification bell. Until I see you the next time. Now, you can spend some time here and just break things down. You can break down by age. You can actually break down by other things here. You can break down by time. You want to know which of the day is your advert. Anything you tell Facebook to do here is going to show it to you. Then you can now take some time and analyze it, and you will be able to understand what is happening with your advert. Now, if you find this helpful, follow me for more.